Jai Guru Datta. The great epics of India, Ramayana and Mahabharata, are not just stories. The great sage Valmiki and Vyasa, they gave these great epics to change the human to divine. Those who read these epics with devotion, their life will be changed. They will become model for all the fellow beings in the world. In their family, happiness and prosperity simply dances. The characters that comes in these stories are not just characters. They are living in our daily life. To recognize these characters and change our life to better our life is the purpose of the great sages who gave these epics to us. Parayana of these epics will definitely bring such a great effect and wonderful change in the life of every human being. Gurus who come to change the world or to teach the disciples to go towards God, definitely they will show a lot of ways to reach God. Swamiji is such a great power, but his methods are very, very simple. He never explains anything. His talk simple and his walk is simple, his way is simple, his method is simple, everything is simple. And he never explains anything of his work or his every act. Has got a deep inner meaning. Ramayana is read in India with lot of devotion to achieve the four Purusharthas, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. But everything is changed by time change. Everything has become modern. Many changed into such a level that spiritual things and all these great epics are just nothing for them. And younger generation and children in this present age, they have no understanding of these things and which gives a boring effect on their brain and mind when they hear to their elders because they have not changed. Sadguru comes only to open the hearts of the people. Ganapati Sachidananda Swamiji is no doubt a great power and Sadguru. He simply made all the people to listen to Ramayana in 100 slokas, singing in a wonderful melodious voice and in a wonderful attractive way, bringing it into a film animation, Shata Shloki Ramayana. Now it is already reached more than 2 lakhs and 1 more lakh will definitely complete before the Navaratri. In Sri Vaishnava tradition, Navaratri is worshipped and also they do the Parayana of Ramayana and on the 10th day, Vijayadashmi day, they celebrate Rama Pattabhisheka and enjoy. Sri Swamiji is such a great power. He made every one of us to merge in Rama without our knowledge, just by singing and listening to that shlokas and enjoying his wonderful creation. He made us to merge in Sri Rama. In Mantra Shastra, every mantra should be chanted for Akshara Laksha, we say. That means how many letters are there in the mantra. It should be chanted and repeated so that to reach the goal of that mantra or mantra siddhi. Sri Rama, 3 letters, Sri Swamiji want us to complete this Ramayana listening and then made us to merge in Sri Rama. So Sri Rama Nama we are going to merge and then that will take us to the moksha and give us the dharma, artha, kama along with it. That means Chaturvida Pala Purushartha Siddhi. That is the purpose of Swamiji's blessings by giving the Shatasloki Ramayana and making us to listen and do this Parayana. I am very happy that shortly it will be completed 3 lakhs and Akshara Laksha will be finished. And my Sadguru Deva will be pleased with that, and he will offer all this bliss at the holy feet of Sri Rama in Mathura or in Ayodhya. I am always at his lotus feet and pray to his holiness to bless me to merge in Rama and to become a useful and beneficial person in this world. Let us all continue listening to Shatashloki Ramayana and do the Parayana. May our Sadguru Deva bless all of us. May our Sadguru Deva bless all of us. Jai Guru Datta, Shri Guru Datta.